Hi everyone.
Hi, nice to see you guys again.
Yeah, and it's time. So good afternoon or good evening.
Good afternoon and good evening and good morning.
Good afternoon from China
Yes.
and good morning good morning to Europe
Yes.
and good evening to Harry. Hi,
Hello.
I'm Creality.
Hi.
Yeah, so glad to meet you.
Yes. We pushed back this live stream a little bit since our internet has some issues, so we couldn't have the live stream this morning, which is few hours, 8 hours ago. So now we are finally here, and we hope we are not going to break the internet anymore. Yes.
Almost noon in Europe.
Yes.
Oh, Cassie, I have a question.
Yeah.
So about 12 o'clock, how can I say hi to people? Like good morning or good afternoon? 11 to 12 or 11, yeah, 11 to 12. This time.
Yeah.
I'm always confused.
That's really a good question. Like, usually I would just say, "Hey, do you eat?" That's how I say hello when it's like 12 o'clock. Yeah. I don't know. It's really interesting because nobody say good noon, right?
Yeah, nobody
Good-
say good
good
news.
That would be so cool.
Yeah, so hi then improving printing speed of 3D printer comes. Hello Creality.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hi.
Yeah,
In
so
French.
anyone can answer our question. How can I say good morning or good afternoon when people have lunch? When people are in lunchtime?
Yeah. Christine. Hi. Hello from Sweden. Sweden. Yeah. I'm curious, like how people say hello in Sweden.
Yeah.
in Sweden language. Hello.
Hello from
Philippines.
Just Kalimara.
Calamari. Calimara. Calimara. Do we pronounce correctly?
Yeah.
Hi.
Afternoon. Oh, so it's good afternoon. Or say
Oh
good.
yeah.
Appetite
Good appetite.
is new. I'm from Norway. Oh, is this a giveaway? Wow.
Really hope
Hey
so.
guys.
Really hope so. But this live stream is a kind of giveaway for you guys. Okay, so we were going to show like details look of this machine, so we can provide more information to you guys.
And so is this a word from the
Okay, what language is that?
from the Sweden?
Sweden.
I don't know how to pronounce it. From Germany.
Oh, guten Tag. Is that
Yeah.
Germany? Hola.
From Portugal,
In
Norway.
Norway. Yes.
So hold on. Hello from Germany. Another.
Hi. Hi.
11:35 here in Sweden. Nice. How can I upgrade Ender 3 into Ender 10? Oh, that's good question. How can I update Ender 3 into Ender 10? I think the easiest way is change the number 3 to 10 from the logo.
or maybe like bury in the earth, so in soil, so and pray that it can grow by itself into an ender 10.
Yeah, as Ella said, give away
Knowledge.
knowledge.
Yes.
Hello from Nigeria, thanks for the giving the anniversary stream. Yeah, thank you for watching us. Hi from Argentina, huge Creality fan. Nice. Hi Gabriel. As reseller for Creality, I'm facing a lot of pressure about the CR-10 Smart as people is confused about what's new. Yeah, so stay tuned. We are going to give you a detailed look and some introduction. Hello, everybody. Hello from France. Hello. What are the best new features in nutshell? What does people should change for CR-10 Smart? What is nutshell?
So so we will talk about this later.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So should we start right now?
CR-10 Smart or CR6
CR6
Max? The CR-10 Smart.
Yes.
And you guys have a look at.
Oh, let me adjust the view.
Here it is a topic we're talking about. We are going to talk about today the
Yes.
CR-10 Smart 3D printer, FDM printer, which we just released on our Creality 7th anniversary.
Yes.
What are the best new features in? Oh yeah, I read it. Oh, I from Japan. Nice to see you.
Hi from Scotland. Is there any giveaway today?
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa? Japanese?
Yeah.
It sounds like Japanese.
Is there a giveaway today?
Yeah, we are.
We have giveaway knowledge and
Yes.
giveaway latest news.
Yes.
Means in a few words. Okay, thank you. Thank you for explaining it. I like the LEDs on the CR-10 Smart. Oh, we are going to talk about it later. Hi from Portugal. The sensor is via touch or capacitive sensor.
This is not a BL touch.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like conclusion. Thank you.
Okay.
I am from South Africa. Nice. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so should we start?
Yeah, Katie, you wanna start here or
I can
back?
I can move the camera view to show you guys
Okay,
the nutshell.
nice. So
So
let's start it.
Okay. So we start with
It's okay. It's okay. 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 It's okay.
okay. So a nutshell is like okay in few words. First of all, the appearance of the machine, it changes. It becomes more simplified and super sport like view, like technical view of the printer. And then the second biggest change is that we have a Wi-Fi building in this machine, so we can definitely use the credit box, cloud, and remote control the printing process. And also, like the third big highlight is that we add a safety switch here, a power switch here. So to making more friendly to the environment, so it saves the more like energy. It has an automatic sleep motions, so it will help definitely turn off or maybe dim the screen when nobody is using it. So another highlight is that yes, we have the auto leveling system here. So as you guys can see, we have the adjustment.
Sorry. Okay, wait a minute. So I'll change another camera here.
Wait. Sorry, we have a bad connection on the camera view. 可能要重开一次。我之前有用过这个。
Yeah. Back. We have back. Sorry, the camera has some little problem.
Yes, connection issues, so we are kind of out of the view.
Yeah, who turned off the internet? Is it?
Somebody who doesn't work today. That's
Okay.
a good choice.
Okay. And
Okay, so do we switch?
Yeah. So first of all, answer some questions. Okay. I like the new power switch too.
Yes.
My next printer. Yeah, go for it. It has a drawer. Will there be a 400mm version?
Yes, the printing. Wait, I'm sorry. The print size, the build volume is 300 times 300 times 400. If I'm correct. So, is that what you mean by 400mm version?
Got it. Very nice look for the print of the printer. Yeah, the printer looks very pretty. Yes, seems like a nice printer future acquisition. Yeah, so Cassie is how much? How much? Okay, so I will show you our official store. You can buy it. Creality, 3D. Creality, 3D. Official.com. And the printer costs $499.
Yes.
Nice, man. Look.
Yes. So should we continue?
Yeah. Order mine 4489. Wow. How did you get that? Yeah, here is the information. You can check on our official store, so crealityofficial.com. Shipping to Philippines. Yes, we can. We can do it. Nice. Okay, so I will show you guys.
So we are going to show you the website where you guys can find it. Maybe do you want to share screen?
Yeah. So have a look at this is CR-10 Smart 3D printer. Here, if you want to send to Philippines, please choose the right plug. We have US, EU, UK, AU, and we will ship from China from May 20th. So it's time for Cassie, and Cassie, let me change another camera to you so you can.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
Cool. So the outlook is like this, and the style they change, like they have the diamond shape here, and usually the 3D printer are just like rectangular boxes, and which is kind of a little bit boring. And now they make a little bit design on this printer.
Okay.
Yes.
So I heard about supercar design, right?
Supercar, yeah, super sport design. And then it looks like if you go to the official store and then you scroll down and you see their description of the design, it's really
Yeah.
cool and hilarious. Yes. so this
fashionable.
high-end flagship model.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then I kind of like it, and then they also made a little design here and here and here just to make it looks more fancy. And in turns it did, and it looks more like a complete printer rather than like Ender 3 or Ender 3V2, those type of machine. And another highlight is here, so you can assemble it like. It's easy assemble, so you can assemble it in like around 10 minutes if you are used to assemble this type of stuff. And I personally haven't tried yet, so I guess it will take about 15 minutes if I assemble it, which is awesome because I've tried in the free V2 and then it took me like an hour. So I really I like this type of assembly stuff. And then somebody says that
Which materials are recommended to print with this printer?
On the official store website, theoretically, PLA, if you scroll down, yes. PLA and ABS, and also
Yes.
TPU, PETG, like those common materials are suitable for this printer. Yes.
So supported materials PLA, ABS, TPU, or PETG.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Good idea for stashing papers. That joy.
Oh, yeah. And in the drawer,
The toolbox.
yeah, they have the toolbox ready for you guys. So they put it in the drawer this time. Okay.
Cassie, should
Yes.
we take a look at the two, what is that? Tabs.
Oh, yes. And also on the side, we're looking for
Yes. It's okay. Yeah, we have a look at the side.
on the side here, it also add the drawer bar, diagonal drawer bar here. So in the terms, it forms a triangular shape, which makes the machine more stabler, and so that people can print with a better quality. And this machine is kind of heavy. It weighs 16 kilograms, I guess. And they are all metal made. Okay, so I want to show you guys the screen here.
Yeah, first of all, let the audience check the screen.
Yes.
Can you guys see clearly?
Yes,
Yeah, that precise sounds like overkill.
yes. And then is
it
the same extruder of CR6 SE? Yes, it's the same as the CR6 SE, which means that it has a filament sensor. So when you're out of the material, you will automatically stop it for you. What are the new languages? So
we will have 9 language.
yes, so those are the
Yeah, let me show you guys. Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean,
Dutch,
German,
maybe
French. What is
It looks like Russian.
Russian?
Is it?
Okay, good. And the Spanish, and last one is I knew that, but I don't know how to say that. Arabic. Arabic.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to see you are including this course.
Yes. And then
Amazing. And no Philippines is the choice for country of delivery. Yeah, no matter where you're from, we all delivery from China. So please choose the right plan. Is a high-end and ultra-bare level same as the CR6 SE?
I'm not quite familiar with CR6 SE, so I will go back and double check with you whether they are similar or not. Yeah, I'm sorry I didn't make enough.
Yeah, we will not. This Korean language didn't expect it. Yeah, we have so many customers in Korea. Does it have a silent board? Of course.
Yes. This time it's Creality self-developed 32 bits silence mainboard,
Yeah.
and with also silence drivers.
And Arabic. Yeah.
Yes.
I put during July my 100 power supply to produce the touch grade Wi-Fi and LED lightning. Nice to see that.
So do you already try this?
I don't think it's CR-10 Smart.
Oh,
I think it's other printer, right?
okay, cool.
So can you show us how this auto leveling is work? Yeah, we will show later. Okay, so it's your time, Cassie.
So
Let's
it's
go.
like leveling, and then it just simply two choices. And we just click auto leveling here, and then you can see it has 16 spots to test. And then the machine will, the printer will test on this 16 spot. Oh, wait, so it's heating the nozzle right now, so it still takes a little bit time. I hope you guys can see.
Clearly,
Yes.
see the whole view.
So I think,
free.
yes.
So is auto leveling now?
Yes. So I think it's similar to Real Touch, like the process. It's just like this one is it's different technology than Real Touch. You still gonna need to test the 16 points.
That's a sexy printer. And oh yeah, I saw some really comments. We will do giveaway. Sorry, today we are going to give away knowledge. The knowledge of CR-10 Smart. Okay.
So to give you guys a detailed look, and like how it's not just on the pictures, it's really how it moves.
It's heating up before landing the most likely single CR success.
Yeah, and I don't.
Cassie is a super glass from the Creality self-made glass.
I guess so. I'm yes, I think so. And then I also think it comes with this machine as well.
So finish.
Yes, and then like next step, we will just go to like home, and then we just adjust the offset by like 0.05 each time. That's how to level this platform.
Okay. Some. Hitting that before leveling makes leveling accurate.
Yes.
It seems to see the pressure sensor as for the CR6. Is it true? I have no idea what.
I think they use the same sensor.
We need to check that.
Yes. Since I'm not quite familiar with CR6.
It is a USB port on the CR-10 Smart. It's on the side. So, Harry, check that. Oh, let me.
So on the side,
Yeah, this is a USB port. This is a Wi-Fi.
yes,
And here it is a
power
power switch. Oh, I like this power switch. It's not the how to say that common one.
Yes, this is the new feature on this printer. Yeah. And then so Creality adds some new features here. If you go to the setup, and then you can see there's one like the option here, lightning control, and then you can see the light is on right now. And if you also see one touch shutdown, it just like instead of switching off the power, you just click this, and then
Seems like our power.
yeah,
Supply.
And then it's off right now. And the thing is just like we need to turn it on again by clicking the side. Oh, I hope you guys can see it by clicking the side power switch. So we don't need to go back and then turn off the power switch on the back here.
So yeah,
Yes, and then also like there's a energy saving motion, I think, which is automatic shutdown after printing. So it gives an option that if you are letting it print it at home and then maybe go out for shopping or something, if you want it to shut down right after the print, and it will do that this time on this printer, which is also a good thing. Upgrade they're doing here.
Creality Smart Tape camera work with CR-10 Smarts.
Wait, let me adjust the camera.
Yeah, it can. Hi, I always fit the glass and use a small size for shining first layer. And the same as CR6 SE.
Really?
It's not. It's not. It's not the same as CR6 SE.
Okay. So
Why not do hot air cooling fans?
maybe like we will give us some accessories and we will have to hot it with that.
Can't see the screen, so how about now? This new printer is more efficient of CR10 as probably true. Okay, we will talk about it later.
Yeah, it adds more features to it.
What was the answer? Yeah, no shipping from Europe yet. Currently, we have no shipping from our overseas warehouse because it's pre-order and we will all ship from China.
Yes.
Looks like it will be the chance to use the autumn better now look the same. No, it's not the same as CR6 in so.
Yes. Well, that's really my blind spot. I'm not sure, but I will definitely go back and check and provide more information here. And so another point I was talking about is the Wi-Fi building Wi-Fi box connection. So I really want to show you guys how this works. And for those who don't really know the Creality Wi-Fi, Creality usually has a Wi-Fi box, which is a type of accessories that you can use your phone to connect the Wi-Fi and do the remote control on the printer. So this time, Creality says, hey, why don't we just have a built-in Wi-Fi? So every printer people buy, they can have this convenient function. So this time, it's time to show how this works. And so usually we will download an app called Creality Box, and then the one I'm using currently is still a beta version. And then we just go into the app and then add a device and scan a QR code. And there's a QR code on each machine has their own identity, and then we can just scan it and connect to the Wi-Fi. And you can also choose other options. Yes, you can also choose other options, but this time I will do Wi-Fi connection. I hope you guys can see. So this process kind of make everything easier. And this is the box we need to connect. And then we just need to connect the Wi-Fi here, which is, I'm going to find it somehow.
Yeah. So, wow, can you install both version on the same phone? Yeah, we have some test versions. We need to test more versions, which we can do for our use. It will be more efficient than CR-10 for YouTube. I warn you, if I don't get one SPOE, then I will buy one. Take my money. The spring oil is a fixed position. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So
so
it
this
can,
time,
yeah, the spring can move.
yeah, you just need to take out the screen.
Look at this small adjustable.
Yes, it looks like a hanger, and then you just put the screen on the position. In the position, and then everything's done. Oh, now the connection. I just find our Wi-Fi and then connect it, and then now I can just name the device. I will name Q. Sorry. And then I'm done. Yes. And so this Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi is just really a convenient way. And then now, after connecting this Wi-Fi, you can go to this app and then find the models you want. And just people upload a whole bunch of models on this app. And then you can just find one and slice it by yourself, which I already done, but I will do one more time here. So I choose the machine here, and then there's other options like transform, filament, quality, shells, infill, temperature, speed. Let's see. Okay, I will change the speed since I think it's too slow. So I want to try 60 print speed with initial layer 30, and then the travel speed is 100. Okay. Well, I don't know if this will work. Let's try. And then also the support. Wait. I will generate support even though this one doesn't need any, but I will do as much as I can. And then just go and slice it. Yes. And this is the one I just sliced.
Yeah, wait a minute. That's it.
Yes.
Here, please let your phone here. We want to focus it. Okay, it's okay now.
Okay. So, where's my? Yeah. Now I go to me and then click the printer. Just select slice to print, and then I will just click this one. And now
Is it the phone case?
Yeah.
Is this from 什么支架呢？
yes. So I really need one. Oh, a stand. So I print one. So next time when
Phone stand.
when I want to show you something, I will just put it on the stand, and then you guys can see it really clearly. So I won't hold it by my hands next time.
I'm so excited for this printer and I can't wait to receive mine.
Yeah. So as you can see here, the temperature, it says that it's changing now. So you can see on the printer screen, the temperature is set up to 55 already. So that's my phone is controlling. And then now we just need to wait for everything, like wait for the temperature to raise up.
Yeah, Wow, the temperature is it heating up? Is there a resize model option in that app? As I know, you can slice the
Yes, you can scale it. You can scale the size of the.
directly upload from computer. You can directly upload from computer too as well. So we are showing you how to upload from your phone.
Yes. So in the future, on Creality, like makes all the connection between the Creality cloud and then this app and then the printers, then you can definitely upload the files on the printer and then show up on your phone. So they already have a website called crealitymodel.com, I think, something like that. If you go to the official website, and then you can definitely find the Creality Cloud website there. Yeah.
So I don't need a Wi-Fi box because the printer connect with the app.
Yes, so no Wi-Fi box is needed. It's built-in Wi-Fi already.
Is it heating up?
Yes, it's heating.
Please lower the camera. Yeah, nice.
I think, well, from my personal experience, there's the downside of it is like the connection, or maybe the connection or the process is a little bit slow. So sometimes, like when you're using the app, you see the loading here. It takes some times to load, but I think I'm not bothered with it because if I want to print it from my office, like I don't mind as long as it can print and it works. Yeah.
Are those knobs for adjusting tension? Now, yeah, here,
Yes, and here.
yeah, and here we can adjust the tension.
Oh, also like there are three options. So if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi box, you can definitely insert the
SD card. Nice. Does built-in Wi-Fi support 5G Hertz network or just 2.4?
currently it's just 2.4.
2.4. Got it.
Yes. Okay. Now if you can see, it finished heating up the bed. Now it's heating another.
According to advertising, no more labeling necessary after the first one. So I think, yeah,
Yes.
it's
Definitely.
automatic.
Yes. So it doesn't have the wheel, the adjustment wheel. So theoretically, you don't need to do any adjustment here. But my personal like preferences is that I still like to do the auto leveling once a while, just in case. That's my personal preferences.
And then how much does it cost? It costs $4.99 US. $4.99. You can do pre-order on our official store, and here it is link. Okay, R0 Z axis. It's so hard to pronounce it.
Synchronizer. Oh, that's the image.
Yeah, you can check the price information in our Creality3dofficial.com. The band leveling sensor is like CR6 and CR6 SE.
So for the Z-axis, it has two motor, so it's dual Z-axis.
So it's printing out.
The band leveling sensor is like CR. 我想找一下。
Okay. You go first.
Yes, let me double check for you whether CR6 is in.
Does it come with new Creality and installed? Okay, that's good question. I'm asking now.
Yes, so I think I'm pretty scared again.
Okay. It's printing like butter. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think I moved the nozzle too far away so it doesn't stick well on the back. See?
So did you lower down?
Yes.
Lower the
When I set
nozzle?
the offset.
Thank you, Mr. What's your okay. Synchronism. It means here it is. It means this.
Yes.
So let me check the question. There is a exercise. A X not exercise. Now the axis 就是 Z 轴同步吗？
还有两个。
就是都同步。Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, they are. The latches in the front hold the glass plate in place. Yeah. Looks like we need to change the offset. I like the thickness in that part. So, is it just caps or is there something holding down? What's the meaning? When does the pre-order start? If you pre-order, if you order it early, you can get it early. You know that?
我可以直接用这个买回去。
Yeah. So I will change the camera to see what Cassie is doing now.
Yes. So it's pretty spaghetti and then well I need to let me do this. So because the nozzle is too far away from the bed,
Yeah.
and then it doesn't stick well on the bed, and then it drags a little bit. The filaments kind of sticks around the nozzle. So now I'm cleaning the nozzle and see. I lower the bed, and next time we'll see what's going on.
Careful, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I am adjusting the Z offset.
Change the camera to use not there, so you can clean up nozzle easily. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay now. So you start printing now. As you can see that.
Okay. So, one thing is that if you use the phone to remote control the printer, then you are not able to adjust the settings on the screen. So they don't conflict with each other. So now currently I need to stop the remote control and then level the bed on the printer, like on the screen. So I will do.
How alternate is it in L11? Will it set the high offset automatically or do we need to adjust? Here it is.
Oh, we still need to adjust the offset on ourselves. So this is kind of similar to BL Touch, but in terms like the choices here will be easier since we don't have to switch the four wheels like underneath the hot bed. So the only option we need to do here is just to adjust the Z offset. And then
Do we need a figure?
I think let me try this time again. Well, I need a
Fantastic,
paper.
if you fail, it's fine.
That's my fault. Yeah.
That's your fault.
Yes.
How would you hesitate me?
My boss gonna fire me.
No way! No way!
I'm kidding.
Oh, I mean a bell connecting the Tuesday school route so they move in simultaneous. Yeah.
Yes.
So, yes.
So on the top here, wait, it has two bells like here, and then it will move the to the axis in simultaneously. Okay. Now let me try it one more time. I hope this time is not too close.
My one it looks awesome. Does the printer you use marking firmware on your own? If so, it's a good loader so we can update marking.
Firmware.
So it means that the printer use marking firmware or your own firmware.
I think currently it's still using Marlin firmware, but 这个是开源。I don't know.
Yeah, it will release the source,
the open source.
yeah, the open source. Wait,
Okay. So
two they also have different models.
yes, we have two models on the back here. I want to show you. One, two.
No,
No,
nothing at all.
nothing at all. Let me check. So one is here, and then here's another one, if you can see. Okay.
Okay, very good. I have just CR-10 Smart will be much better and easier to work with than CR-10 Code. Yeah. Can you please remove the hot air cover for us to see the internals?
Yes, if you want.
You want to remove it now? Now?
Well, oh, since I am still printing it, so
Yeah.
I don't know how it's
I'm
gonna.
shocked you are printing it.
Yeah, I totally forgot since it's because it's heating up and doing nothing.
It's do the jobs. Each have their own motor. Yeah. So bootloader has been a standard for Creality printer for a while. So I believe yes, improve bootloader. Thank you for answer it. The really very stable Z axis.
Access, yes.
Axis. Wow, hello Jerome. I hope I can win one of those. Today is giveaway knowledge. Say no way, no bad words, okay? It's not like CR-6 max. Is it full metal? And it's not. It's not full metal. Can you show the touch screen? We have to that.
Yeah, sure.
What? Oh. Yeah, here is the touch screen. You can see here.
It's heating. It's so
Yes. Yeah, looks a great printer. Yeah, the internal of this outer level extruder can be a topic of another live stream. Thank you. So we have another topic. Okay, now the internal of this outer level extruder.
internal.
Is that okay?
Yes. Oh well, yeah. Well, I gotta prepare for that though.
But we will prepare for
Yes.
that. Can we use custom icons on that on the task screen?
Can we use custom icons? Well, it doesn't have the options building, but I know there's a lot of people doing their upgrades on the firmware, and then they eventually like have the custom icons. But yeah, it takes a little bit more skills.
Some builds. I don't know what you said about our live stream of the printer. Since because our printer we use the silent motherboard and silent motor.
Yes, so this
Silent
time
motor.
the news I get is that the two Z models they also use the silence driver, so it will makes everything more silent.
No fan silence. Fan silence.
New fan silence, I think it's much better than other.
Printer we used before, right? Yeah, and another topic, another giveaway. Sorry, just turning what's smart about it. It has Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. We have Wi-Fi internal, right?
Yes.
So you can use your smartphone to control your computer. To control your 3D printer.
Yes. So
Yeah, Wi-Fi and that level. The printer is very quiet. Good. They seem to do now. Good job, Cassie. Well done.
yeah.
Yeah. She's starting at her print and seems like
It's still not.
not well, not good.
It's still kind of far. I already moved it.
CR-6 community firmware for this printer. For now, it's not compatible with the CR-6 community firmware. Where can we find more information from this printer? Yeah, have a check on Creality official store, crealitysradioofficial.com. And here is a link. Here is a link.
No, it's not speaking.
Yeah. When do you deliver it to warehouse Europe to avoid taxes? We will deliver it from May, so maybe on June you can buy it without the tax. Thanks. Will print stickers be updated on mobile and computer? Cassie, will print stickers be updated on mobile and computer?
Wait,
Yeah.
I think
It is, right?
yes.
Oh no.
Yeah, the whole thing doesn't stick well.
Yeah, click realitysradioofficial.com. This is useful. Yes, so this is useful for making nice landscapes for people. I'm sorry if this car ready, but will I able to upgrade to direct drive? To be honest, we are not recommend your guys to upgrade because it may cause some problem. We didn't know that, but if you can do it, just do it. It's your printer, right? Creality, yeah. And more information on crealitysradioofficial.com. Let me check some new comments. Hope I can test this machine soon. I hope so. The two rods on the back of the frame have ball joints. It did. That was a little axle sound vibration. Am I right? But now we use the silent motor, so the noise gone. Thank you. I wish Creality can let us just ZF by increasement of 0.01 instead of 0. So I take picture of your comments to energy and to technician supports, to the R&D apartment. Okay, so let me check some of these. Do the delivery also change parts for this printer? I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Will there be a direct drive upgrade case as there was for the CR-10 V2? Okay. Mm, we are not sure because we don't have plan for direct drive upgrade. But I will take picture of your comments and so let's check now. We're checking now. They are so stabilized and frame for time prints. Right. Beautiful printer. Will there be a pre-order? We are pre-ordering it now. Guys, checking our Creality3dofficial.com. We are pre-ordering it now.
So if you go to the website,
Good.
as you can see here,
Wait a minute. Another printer.
yes, definitely. And
Nice.
okay. 怎么样把这边变大一点？
Is it okay?
Yes. And then we will keep saying here. And if you scroll down, and you will definitely see all these features. The built-in Wi-Fi is just the one I just showed you guys how I use the app and then connect the Wi-Fi with the printer and use it to remote control the printer and print stuff. And the automatic sleep version, I show you guys as well. It's like a one-click shutdown, and also there's the options on the screens that if you want to shut down after the print, you will definitely do it. And then let me, well, and the intelligent auto leveling process is just the auto leveling sensors on the first steps that I show you guys before, and how I do the auto leveling and adjust the offset. And the draw axis and draw diagonal draw bars is also one of the highlights here. And then the 4.3-inch full version 4-wheel touchscreen, the simplified, also sophisticated design of the outlook, and also the silence design. So as you guys can see, it's printing now. So this time I didn't use the Creality Wi-Fi Box app and didn't print the model on the app. Instead, I used the that leveling model that I already have on my same card and print it. So as you guys can see now, it's printing currently, and let's be quiet and see what's going on. So I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but for me, it's I couldn't hear the motor is moving. So I can hear a little bit of the sound of the fan, but not the motor. Yes, let's be quiet and hear it again.
Any more questions? Uh, will there be a version of without the touchscreen and use the traditional control in color? So, no. Why do we call smart printers? This is CR-10 smart. It's not CR-10 ordinary or CR-10 traditional version. Yeah, can't hear anything. Yes, it is really silent now. The red drive as moved to X entry. It could possibly make it harder to find function the automatically. Thank you. Okay. Will this be able to use a version 2 LCD from the end series for those of us that don't really want to touchscreen?
Creality, they didn't think about this question yet. So maybe they're like from by what I know, there's no option so far. But I mean, if you want to switch to the version 2 LCD, then it may be possible. Yeah,
Okay. And the printer, yeah.
because the default setting of this machine is with the built-in Wi-Fi and also like the full color touch screen. That's the default setting, and that's currently that's the only one options you can get. So yeah, I hope I answered your question.
The printing bed is it glass or magnetic mat?
So this is a glass pad, and I currently have so I just print this new new prints on this printer, and I don't know what I did wrong on the on the app, and then maybe I didn't do the slicer software carefully, and then missed some options. So it turns out that I didn't the print I used to print like just few minutes ago, it doesn't stick well on the bed. But when I turn into this new print, which is the test version, and show you guys how level the bed is, it actually works pretty well. So I may need to go back and double check what's wrong with my setting on the slicer. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So time is time is up.
Yes. Maybe we can
Answer more questions.
yes.
I think more. I think people have so many questions. So it's easy enough to adjust leveling sensors well. Yeah. Why not sure how and cooling fans? We have to ask the engineer. They designed it. Questions? The setup that is known as taking from special design gas. It just solid threading as well. We found the point.
Ha.
Okay. Yeah. Please prepare the questions, and we will do another live stream next week about CR-10 Smart. I think so many people have questions about the CR-10 Smart. Okay.
Yes.
When will the print finish? The print finish.
So
It seems like about 10 minutes, 10 more minutes.
no, it's only on the 10%. So
So around 10%. Okay.
yeah, it may take like 45 minutes.
Okay. So I will change another camera.
to finish and see.
Yeah, and it's time for us to say goodbye. Prepare more questions. Next week, stay tuned on Creality page, Creality YouTube, Creality Facebook.
Yes, and I'm going to choose the model and then successfully print it next week.
Yeah, maybe next
That's a
week.
challenge.
Yeah, and maybe next week giveaway, right?
Yes, possible.
Okay, so bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you and have a good evening. Thank you. Have a good day.